Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is using Google search to calculate a tip. Have you ever needed to tip a waitress, delivery person, or a driver? Google search makes it easy to figure out how much you need to tip. You can use the Google Tip Calculator. Let's use the tip calculator to figure out how much a 15% tip of $200 would be. Open Google Chrome and click the search bar. Type in tip calculator and press enter. Let's suppose your office team ordered individual lunches from BJ's Deli Bar. The delivery driver needs to be tipped. Google will show you how to divide the tip per person. In the text box for bill, type $200 or the amount of the bill. Leave it at 15% or increase to the desired percentage. In the box for number of people, increase the number to how many people are contributing to the bill. In this tip, the number of people will be 4. You will see that the total bill per person will be $57.50. Forget the hassle. Let Google Tip Calculator take the guesswork out of takeout orders. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.